Hey everybody, today I am working on a 16 by 20 canvas, and these are my colors that I'm going to be using today. The first one is white. It's a metallic white, and then that is from Artist Loft, and this one here is 14 karat gold, and that's from FolkArt. And then this one here is also from Artist Loft, and it is metallic cobalt blue. And then this pretty color here, I mixed a couple colors together. And the first one was FolkArt garnet, and then I used a Artist Loft metallic red. Now I do have some extra white in my bottle that is Artist Loft Flow acrylic. So what I'm going to try to do, the plan is I'm going to be doing a swipe, and I'm going to be using wet paper towel. So I'm going to start off with the white. Okay guys, so I went ahead and turned the painting because I like it this way better. So I'm going to go in and show you a little closer. There's a lot of cells, the colors, a lot of blending of the colors, so it turned out pretty cool. I like how the bottom looks. Alright, so there it is, and I'm happy with the outcome. The wet paper towel worked pretty good. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.